Okay, time to record again. So, hello everyone. Today is April 26, 2025 and this is Entry Log again. Kumusta kayo? I'm doing well. Well, not well technically. I'm in a slump again. Just I did some things like working out and then buff buff. So, again, I'm doing this for for my future self also and for clear my heads again. And okay, procrastination again. Actually, I'm going to do this and that, pero just a self-reflection na it's ang dami ng oras nga lang parang nasa head ko na dapat ginawa ko. Pero that's not the right questions for me to ask. And also, kanina just came back uh, from a webinar about procrastination and hindi ko nakinig na maayos. Pero I recorded it naman. And also, ayun, I'm here to say na daming progress. Physically, workout nga, leg day, tapos yun nga, trying to get some routine. Pero right now, rest day ko, pero gusto ko rin mag-workout, pero yun. Pero daming gagawin. And I'm doing this again just because to clear my head. And also, to say na I'm very lucky. I don't even know what I'm doing. No? Pero I think somehow na parang kailangan ko to gawin just for the sake na maayos lang yung thoughts ko. At the same time, to really say na I just really don't need rest. I need plan. Kailangan ko lang planuhin talaga yung mga dapat kong gawin, no? Mga ganyan-ganyan. So, there's no structure in my head at the same time, but it's too soon it's too soon to say na I should plan or kaya na-realize ko yung term na yun, na-realize ko na mali pala ako na dapat ginawa ko to pero yun na yun eh. What I got right now is what I'm going to do tonight. 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 Ang dami. Ang daming research, reporting, edit, read books, and yung pupunta ba sa San Rafael pero yun nga like I have to plan ahead. And also, I have to take down notes then. So yun, kaya ko naman. It's just that kaya ko siya. Kaya ko siya dahil yun nga like dahil meron na naman nagsampal sa akin na gawin mo to. Malapit na tayong mag-practice sa ganitong bagay. Isip ka ng isip. Just do. Just do na, Just do. Okay. Bye.